So we thought we'd make up a little video about how to use Quizziz. Best thing to do while watching this video is open a new tab and go right to Quizziz.com. You can see the URL address up there. So open another tab, do that, maybe pause this video. Once you're there, you're going to log in, and you should be able to log in with Google. And as you can see, my account pops up right here on the left. There's a few things you can do. I can search quizzes on any topic. I'm going to search for a math quiz, maybe. I'm not sure the Disney animation films, but okay, let's just suppose that's what I want to get. I can preview it. If you look down below, you can see all of the questions that are there. And then if I decide that that's what I want to use, I can assign this as homework. That's usually the way I do it. If you're doing it as a class, as a whole, you can just play it live and it'll give you a pin just like Kahoot. But in this case, I want to show you how to do the homework version because that's a little bit trickier. In this, you need to import like a time, a date that it's going to be ending by, because that's how you get your data. So you can put in any date, any time, and then you just press the proceed button down here at the bottom. Here's the game code you share with the kids, and here is the address. I usually just cut and paste it into Schoology so they can see it, but don't forget, they have to do it by this deadline here at the top of the page. Okay, now let's just suppose I don't like any of the games that are there and I want to do my own thing. Up here at the top it says create a new quiz. If you press on that, this is my favorite. I can create any quiz name. Let's just suppose summer fun. And I can add an image. It's not as important, but you can. I can even align the quiz to the state standards. I'm not going to because I just want to show you they're very simple. Let's see, it says I can create a new question here, or I can search from existing. Now creating a new question is just like creating any test, but I want to show you how easy it is to search from existing questions. Okay, search for existing questions. Summer. All right, I'm going to just click on this. And this is the question that comes up. Which American holiday unofficially signifies the end of the summer season? It's Labor Day. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add it. Let's suppose I don't like the second question. So I say, no, I don't like anything else on this quiz. I'm going to click another quiz. So you can literally go through any quizzes that have this topic and pick and choose the answers and the questions that you want. And there you have it. Your test is done. So it's pretty amazing. And you can mix and match. If you want to add your own question, you can do that too. And then you just finish like normal. Let's save the details. Oh, let's say I'm going to put a grade range in here. And let's just say it's math. It's not any of those things. But just to show you. And then that should be it. Okay, did I finish it? Why is it not finishing? Oh, I know, I didn't scroll down far enough. Sorry. I'm just picking stuff just so you can see how to end this. Early math, I'm going to save the details. And here's summer fun. Then you just go about it like normal when you assign a homework. Assign a date, hit proceed. I know you can't see the proceed in the video. And there it is. Here's the game code. Here's the quizzes. And I just want to show you on the other part of it is I've done some other quizzes before with my kids. And this was way back 2 months ago. We did angles and triangles with 7th grade math. And I just want to show you how great this is when it pops up. Angles and triangles. Now look at all of these kids that have taken it. And I get to see exactly the accuracy. And not only did Jake get 100% accuracy, but he was also the quickest. So as I scroll down, I can also start to see some of the students that made mistakes, and I can see exactly by clicking on this bar, I can see exactly where they made the mistakes. It gives me a printout of all of the questions and which ones they got correct and which ones they didn't. Okay, this one had trouble with surface area. That really helps me when I go back through to see what kids or having trouble where. And if you look at the top, it tells me that he did 4 attempts. And I can check, oh, he's improving each time. Well, maybe not on the 4th attempt, but it really gives you a good idea about what they're doing well and where they're improving. Good luck. Let us know if you have any trouble.